Cambodia is a country founded on history and heritage. From the French colonial era to the horrifying rule of the Khmer Rouge, Cambodia has seen some tough times. Any trip to Cambodia is incomplete without an exploration into its important past. As much of the world struggles to post-growth, Cambodia's tourism and hospitality sector continued to expand and diversify, attracting more intra-regional activity and especially from major emerging markets in Asia. Cambodia is nowadays quite a famous tourist destination primarily because of its historical temples and many other important and fascinating places. Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to explore Prasat Kravan is located in the east of Angkor Wat and south of Banteay Kadai. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. Prasat Kravan is a temple that is located quite close to the main Angkor Wat temple. It may be significantly smaller in size, but its architectural features make it one of the best examples of ancient Khmer architecture at its finest. It is probably the only temple in Angkor that features brick carvings. The brick carving architectural style was originally seen in Vietnam's Cham temples. Even though archaeological restoration had started in the most prominent Angkor temples by the 1930s, conservators took their time in getting to Prasat Kravan. When archaeologists found the temple in the 1960s, they found that it was a temple in ruins. However, they left no stone unturned in restoring it as much as they could. Further explorations into the history of the temple revealed that Prasat Kravan dates back to the early 10th century when a high-ranking priest was made in charge of overseeing its construction under the rule of King Harshavarman I of the Angkor Empire. Like most other Hindu temples, Prasat Kravan faces the east. A moat surrounds the temple, and accessing the temple requires visitors to cross the moat via a causeway that is located in the temple grounds' western section. A large cruciform terrace is present to the east of the temple's towers. Archaeologists believe that an entrance may have possibly existed here previously. However, as it was probably made from perishable material, it no longer is a part of the temple complex. The main point of interest at Kravan is the sculpture on the interior of two of the 5 towers depicting Vishnu and his consort, Lakshmi. The scene in the central tower is the most impressive one. These carvings in brick on the interior of a monument are unique in Khmer architecture. This temple was reconstructed by the French and given a new foundation, interior walls and trains. Some broken bricks were replaced with carefully made reproductions which are marked with the letters CA, representing the Angkor Conservancy. These can be seen, for example, on both the interior and exterior of the tower on the right. Kravan is an unusual arrangement of 5 towers in a row on one terrace. They are built of brick. The lintels and columns are of sandstone. Central tower is the only tower with recessed tiers intact, which are visible on the interior. The columns are octagonal, with 4 bare sides and sandstone rings. This tower enclosed a linga on a pedestal. An inscription on the pillars gives the date 921 for the erection of the statue of Vishnu. On the interior decoration, exterior, the east side of the central tower is sculpted with male guardians in shallow niches and chevrons and framed figures on the pilasters. A frieze of small heads adorns the lintel. Decoration, interior. The main decoration of this tower, on the left, depicts Vishnu taking 3 steps to span the universe and to assure the gods of the possession of the world. It comprises a standing image of Vishnu, with 4 arms, carrying his attributes: a disc, a ball, a conch and a club. One of his feet rests on a pedestal. Nearby a person is meditating and another one is walking on a lotus held by a woman on a background of undulating lines representing the waves of the ocean. On the right, Vishnu, with 8 arms, is framed with 6 registers of people meditating and a giant lizard. This sculpture on brick was formerly coated with stucco and was probably highlighted with colors. North Tower Temple was dedicated to Lakshmi, wife of Shiva. She holds the symbols of her powers in her 4 hands and is flanked by kneeling admirers. The niche with multiple lobes is decorated with tassels and floral swags. South Tower walls on the interior have no decoration. A lintel on the exterior with the Vishnu on his mount, the Garuda, is skillfully modeled. The stairway leading up to the sanctuaries housed within each tower features remnants of some lion statues. According to archaeologists, every single sanctuary was guarded by its very own lion statue during the glory days of the temple. The central sanctuary has 4 tiers, as many as it originally had. While the southern sanctuary only has 2 remaining tiers, the tiers of the other 3 sanctuaries have perished with time. The significance of the Prasat Kravan temple comes from the bas-reliefs that can be witnessed in the central sanctuary, as the temple was built in dedication to Lord Vishnu, one of Hinduism's most revered deities. The 3 bas-reliefs feature depictions of Lord Vishnu from various cherished tales from Hindu mythology. An 8-armed Lord Vishnu standing in a statue-like position on a lizard or crocodile and surrounded by numerous tiny devotees. Archaeologists are yet to uncover the significance of this particular bas-relief. A 4-armed Lord Vishnu holding his baton, conch, discus, and globe, and taking a large step. This depicts Lord Vishnu in one of his avatars, that of the dwarf called Vamana when he took 3 large steps to overthrow the demon called Bali and reclaim the world from him. 4-armed Lord Vishnu sitting on his mount called Garuda and holding his baton, conch, discus, and globe. Apart from the Vishnu bas-reliefs, the temple is also home to bas-reliefs of Lord Vishnu's consort, the goddess Lakshmi, which can be found on the interior walls of the temple's northernmost tower. In one of Lakshmi's bas-reliefs, she can be seen holding lotuses. In the other bas-relief, she can be seen holding Vishnu's discus and Lord Shiva's trident. Archaeologists believe that the second bas-relief portrays Lakshmi as a great Hindu goddess who has transcended the duality associated with the worship of Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. It may be difficult for you to travel within the country due to the high levels of heat and humidity during Cambodian summers. However, you can expect the country to be free from tourists as summers are considered off-season. While roads may get muddy and slushy with regular rainfall, monsoons too are considered off-season and don't see many tourists in Prasat Kravan. Winters are the peak tourist season in Cambodia, and if you plan to visit the temple during the winter months, then expect to see a lot of crowds. All in all, the decision regarding when to visit Prasat Kravan depends on your financial situation and what kind of experience you are looking for. If your financial health is not faring too well and you prefer a peaceful vibe, then summers or monsoons may be the best time to visit the temple for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next video and will explore new places.